Hello together. It's an honor for me to be here and tell you a little bit about our vision and our ideas. Wiring the future of mobility. Future mobility is right now here. You have seen it, I have seen it. All the different companies here are working on future, and future is right here. But to wire it together, that is a challenge, and we take care about that. I'd like to show you a little bit. Okay. It doesn't work. Okay. Thank you. First of all, I'd like to show you something about Rosenberger. Nobody knows, or not too many people will know Rosenberger in this community. So Rosenberger is a company which is founded in 1958 by Hans Rosenberger Senior, and has meanwhile on a global footprint 11,000 people working. We have production plants in Europe, in Asia, in US. Our vision is really to work as a market leader in the data communication and any communication and data and high voltage transfer inside the car. We also have different business units which are related to our main experience, which is coming out of the telecommunication market. So we have also fiber optic and electronics in our portfolio. We believe that full automatization is a key point for the future, what we talk right now. Now I will show you a video which explains a little bit more about Rosenberger and what our philosophy is. Thank you.
There are those moments. Ideas turn to reality. Today to tomorrow. And a connection is established. The basis for this is reliability. And with our expertise and knowledge, we work today on solutions of the future. At Rosenberger, our mission is technology leadership, a mission that connects. With more than 60 years of experience in innovation and development, and through the trustful collaboration of our employees, Rosenberger is a promise. A promise for state-of-the-art production technology, the highest efficiency in production processes, and the continuous improvement of our products. We guarantee this promise to our customers around the globe. We apply our competences to create leading solutions. Rosenberger connects.
Exactly, Rosenberger connects inside the car and everywhere else. Oh, okay. Rosenberger shares the vision of ACES. ACES, I mean, you have seen all your companies, you're doing autonomous drive. You need a lot of sensors and that kind of things. Connectivity. You have to connect all the systems together, inside and between cars, machines, human life. Electrification. Everybody is aware about the situation that we are going to move in the direction of electrical mobility. So there is a big challenge to transfer the power inside the car and also in the charging systems. Then shared devices. The big name is big data. So collect the data and bring them exactly to the right place. Transform them also inside the car. That's very important. Very often we see the systems are ready, but nobody cares about connection system, and we offer the right system for each solution. We share this vision. We share this vision for further mobility. We have all the high voltage and data connectors available, which are needed to enable this kind of vision and future applications. To make it a little bit more practical and understandable what I'm talking to, you see in the left side a car with the infrastructure and the board net architecture. So you have to take care about the charging systems, the battery, the auxiliary equipment, the powertrain. All together, we see a lot of application that the inverter comes closer to the machines themselves. Therefore, you need a clear and good connection system. Same thing on the data side. We see a lot of application. Camera. Every car has meanwhile a camera, at least one. We see a lot of displays upcoming. So sensors in the front, around the car. You have to connect them and bring them together into the head unit. And of course, consumer accesses. Everybody would like to connect an USB port inside, at least just for charging, or just for, looking some videos inside the car. All of that has a need for cables and cable assemblies and connection points. Therefore, we produce connectors in a range of RF connectors and data connectors. RF means radio frequency connectors, so it's coming out of the communication market. Show you some example on that. We have different kind of connectors in the data field. We have symmetrical one and asymmetrical one. We have heard before the different levels of autonomous drive. We are right now in the level 1, 2, and even coming to 2 and 3. For each of these, we have already a wide range of products available. For Ethernet application, which already is used up to 1 gigabit in the system, and all the other data communications. What we have heard also before, we are moving to a level 4 and 5. 4 and 5 means a lot of data has to be transferred inside the car. We are talking about computer systems, which has to be connected to each other. We have to connect the sensors to the central computing systems. And if you consider in front of all these future needs, then you can work with one system for all of that. And that is a key point, especially if we had before about costs. Costs means always go in high automated assembly and have high volume production. If you consider exactly the autonomous drive right now, you can set up a product which fulfills everything, and you don't have to do it all the time. No re-engineering is needed. If you go now in the detail of the portfolio, just to give you an example for that, we have on the left side single-ended solutions, coax systems, as it used for antennas right now, and of course camera systems. We have them built up to a frequency range up to 20 gigahertz. 20 gigahertz is, from our point of view, some kind of a limit of the physical copper solutions. We have done the same thing for the differential connectors. Based on that, we have solution in coax and differential, which makes really further future applications with central computing really possible inside the car, by having a very cheap production and no failures inside. If you take a look and consider the situation about gigahertz relevant to the gigabit situation, if we talk about PAM4, We can reach for that, for a single line, 56 gigabit per second. So it's a lot. Based on our experience, we can handle more or less everything what we see right now upcoming. To be protected and safe on the other side, we have also developed in the DVG stage. You will see on the next slide just an example. So from copper moving to dielectric waveguide, there's a possibility to have over one line 100 gigabit per second solution available, just over one connection point. Moving forward to the next slide, the advantage of these is if you do new products, you can make them much smaller. What Rosenberger has created is now the new connector series, they are by 80% smaller than the standard and existing ones. So it just uses the opportunity and chance to do new interfaces. On the next slide, you see our new family, as I mentioned before, in coax and differential. The big advantage from Rosenberger is we are a development partner to all OEMs on a global basis. So we collected all the needs of the customer and developed exactly for these needs our products. Meanwhile, these two connector systems are getting to a global standard. So it doesn't matter if it's in Europe, is it in the US, or is it in the Asian area. So Rosenberger has created a new global standard right now. To get in a zero defect situation, high quality and best cost, Rosenberger is also developing the assembly processes for that. So everything is driven by machines, everything is controlled by machine, from the piece part level up to the complete cable harness. So zero defect is not anymore a goal, it's really a target which we can achieve based on that. A few words about high voltage systems, high voltage system powertrain solutions. I will show in the next few slides to give you just an indication what we are doing. You see here a classical car starting with the cell modules, which is inside the battery. We're doing special developments like power distribution boxes, especially to customer needs. So we are development partner to all the global OEMs on that side. We have created a wide range of standard connectors. We are nominated and chosen as development partner from General Motors, from Ford, from Volkswagen, BMW. Global, really, we represent every OEM solution. We also do some special things like on the right upper corner. For example, BMW scooter, we have done a power distribution system. Also, we do some special things like plug-in fuses. That all ends in a complete product portfolio on the next slide. So we cover more or less every need inside the car, starting by 40 amp up to more than 400 amp, by low voltage, by 48 voltage up to 800 voltage. Based on that, we really can say we offer a full range of products for the whole automotive market. Wiring the future of mobility. It's not just a vision, it's really a goal which can be achieved. We would like to work together with you because we just can do it with you as partners. We offer your partnership to create the future, and I'm really looking forward to go in discussion with you. If you have any questions about our products, our solutions, our capabilities, you're more than welcome to visit us in our booth. Our booth number is the 209. You see on the next slide our contact. So my colleague Gunnar Armbrecht is also with me. He's leading of R&D. So we can go really in a deep technical discussion. So thank you very much. If you have any question, please ask. Otherwise, please visit us in our booth. Thank you very much.